Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational tip is when you follow these three things in your life, your daily life, definitely you will see the best results in your life. First one, do exercise. Every day you have to give at least 15 minutes to yourself, whether you should do physical exercises or yoga or meditation, anything. You have to give 15 minutes to yourself every day, in the morning or in the evening, whenever you are available for you have to do 15 minutes of exercise. It will give mental strength and physical strength. Both of them are very important to ourselves. And second one, reading. Read at least 5 papers. It means whatever you wanted to read, whether it is a newspaper or a GK book, a comic book or story book or any subject book or anything, you have to give or you have to spend that time. At least you have to read 5 papers fully. So it takes at least 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour. You have to spend half an hour for reading. It will improve your knowledge and it will improve your dedication skills. It will improve your concentration skills, and also sometimes the meanings that you never know before. So you have to give half an hour to reading. And last and final, pray to God. Every day, wherever you go, you should pray 10 minutes with God, because God gives mental peace and also gives solutions to your problems, and He also helps you in your critical times. And when you spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes in front of the God, you will forget everything. Definitely, you feel more relaxed, mentally relaxed and physically relaxed. So, follow these three things in your daily life at least 1 year. After 1 year, definitely you will see miracles in your life, changes in your life, and how you improved yourself. Definitely you will see. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel.